What's going on, guys? It's Bataha. In this video we're going to be top speed testing the Coleman CT100U. I'm going to link down below to a playlist which has all the mods that I've done on this. Here's a quick summary. Recently just removed the internal governor gear, drilled out the jet and the carburetor, and installed a hydraulic brake. Mods that I've already had on this was Go Power Sports air filter, header off of Amazon, and then just a Go Power Sports mini muffler. Check down below for that playlist, and I'm also going to link all the parts that I got and this mount. Check the description for that. I broke it when I was putting it on, so I held on by zip ties. So let's get this thing on the road, man. Come on. Cool, buddy, dude. It's been a while. Alright, well, brakes working good. Filled this thing up on some gas. It was basically empty and I spilled it all over this thing. Ah, let's go, let's go! Yeah! I'm gonna see if this thing blows up or not. We'll see. Dude, there's no way this thing's slower. What? What the heck? Dude, there's no way. That's on. Oh, here we go. Yeah, buddy, this is it. Oh, baby. Alright, 33, 34, 35, let's go, 40s, come on. 36. Come on, man, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, man, 37. Oh, I'm pinning it, 38. Oh, come on, come on, come on. We gotta let off, we gotta let off. Oh, 38. Man. The brake on this thing is so much better now. I recommend doing that brake upgrade, guys. For sure. That brake is pretty dang good, man. It's good safety, and then I just kind of routed the wires like this. Left a little extra up here for turning. It's a little bit long, but yeah, I just routed up that. 38. I don't know, man. I want to say it's like the same as before, but I don't really know. I'm gonna let my neighbor pass and then I'll go. On the way up there it was way less, and then now it's on the way back it was 38. Alright, let's get going. I want to say it's the same as before, to be honest, before removing the governor. This thing struggles like trying to go up the hill. It's a little bit of an uphill going this way. But once you gain that speed, you hit that point and you can kind of, the RPMs are higher than if it had the governor on it. Like right about now. See, I'm only getting up to like 30. That's crazy, man. So is it worth it? I don't know. Throttle cable's getting pinned. Maybe I messed something up when I drilled that jet out, but it sounds so much better. Yeah, 30s. Oh, dude, this thing sounds like it's gonna blow up. I ain't even gonna lie. We better start getting back closer. I'll tell you what though, this mid-range, like between 10 and 20, like it picks up, and like now it's picking up. I don't know why. Look at that. What the heck? See, now I'm going 36 uphill. 35? Dude, that's weird. That is weird. I don't know what it is though. I'm gonna just get off on the side of the road. Dude, something's clanking around in there. Alright, we're pinning it. Let's go. Oh boy, come on. 40s, let's go. I want to blow this thing up. Let's go, man. Come on. Come on. 37, 38. Let's go. 40. Come on, 37. Dude, go up. No, wait. 39. Let's go. Come on. 40. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see right there. That's what I was going for. Thank goodness for this hydraulic brake, man. Otherwise, I would be going straight into that gate over there. Dude. 40s? That ain't bad. I'm gonna just cruise for a little bit, not go like super heavy on it. Wow. I mean, I say that and then y'all kind of know how it goes. Let me know what y'all think down below. That's kind of odd. Cause I know the throttle's getting open all the way. It's just like weird, like when I was hitting that uphill coming back. That uphill is pretty steep, but it was like revving out way further. Cause see, right now I'm full throttling and I'm getting 28. But if I like, I don't know. It's kind of odd. It seems like there's like this power loss. I'll tell you what though, with the jet drilled out and that governor, it sounds like healthier. Other than every once in a while I hear like almost like a kind of like a clank. It's kind of funny. So let me know, guys. See, like right now it's like picking up. Like look at this. Let me know, guys, what y'all think. See, look at that. Let me know what y'all think I should do on this thing next. Probably gonna blow it up, but maybe some valve springs or something. I want to say it has like 10 pound or something like that, so maybe I can go to like 12s or 15s and then blow this thing up and put a 212 on it. Yeah, look at that, 39. Let's go, boy. 40 right there. Oh, we coming in hot. Ooh. Let me know what you think I should do on this thing next. I'm thinking some valve springs. Other than that, I honestly can't really do a whole lot. I'll probably just throw a 212 on here. I already have a Hemi with some bolt-ons, carburetor and header. Sorry guys for not posting. Hey, life's been life. I got back problems now, and I'm pretty young to be having back problems. Hey, what's up, man? Go, go, go! Well, we're back in town, so we're ripping in on the minis. I'm gonna go check out the CT100U EX next. I'm gonna probably drill that jet out bigger because it runs really lean and it shoots flames, which is cool, but I want to go faster. And also on that thing, I want to do a hydraulic brake as well in the back. It's just a lot more work because it has the disc brake. Sorry, it has the drum brake on it now. Oh, I'm thinking some tires too on this thing. Get some nicer tires. I don't really like the V-treads. They don't work all that well. So, valve springs and tires. But check down below, guys, for the playlist of all the mods and all the parts I used on this thing. I'll also link down this mount and the app. Speedometer simple. Oh yeah, we're going, dude. 30, 38. Pin it. 37. Let's go. Pin it. 39. Come on. 40. One more time. There he is. 40. Dude, look at this brake though. Like, look at that. That's insane. Oh, I kind of, you can see the tread right there. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm Bataha, and we'll see y'all in the next one.